struggling to write blogs or articles faster and smarter? In this video, I'll show you how to use Gemini AI to generate high-quality content in minutes. First, open the Gemini app or website. Now I type, "Give me 5 article topic ideas" to get ideas for article writing. Next, change the response mode. Now click on the send icon. Wait a few seconds for Gemini to finish generating the topic ideas. Step 2. Write an article using Gemini now. Select any one topic you like from the list. Tell Gemini to write an article about that selected topic. Click on the send icon again. Wait for Gemini to complete the article writing process. Step 3. Make the article shorter or longer. If you want to change the article length, just type your instruction. For example, I type, "Make it a little shorter," then click on the send icon. Wait for Gemini to rewrite the article based on your request. Step 4. Copy the final article. Once the article is ready, click on the copy icon. Now you can paste and use the article anywhere you want. That's it. This is how you can easily write articles using Gemini AI. Thanks for watching.